Hello, everybody. This is my presentation on the American bird grasshopper for Biology 112. So, this is our table of contents, what I'm going to be going over. There's going to be the introduction, the environment, and unique evolved traits first. And then I'm going to talk about the grasshopper diet. And then I'm going to talk about the predator prey relationship, followed by the tree of life and its importance to the ecosystem and humanity. So, for the introduction, the American grasshopper lives in the eastern USA, Mexico, and Bahamas. The adults reach 4.5 centimeters or 1.8 inches. The females are slightly larger at 5.5 centimeters or 2.2 inches. And as seen in the picture, is an insect with two wings and lives for around a year and is a herbivorous animal. So for the life cycle, females lay around 60 to 80 eggs and covers them with some ground to protect the eggs. Nymphs then hatch around 3 to 4 weeks later and go through several instars or developmental periods. And then eventually they grow in size and grow in wings. The hatching periods are from February to May and again from August to September. And some unique traits is rather than hiding in grass like other grasshoppers, they tend to fly away from danger, which is one of the reasons why the American bird grasshopper has its name. They also have a creamy stripe from head to wing, and they're said to be overwinter, meaning they spend their time in winter as adults as opposed to larvae. And when nymphs are younger, they tend to aggregate or stay together, but become more independent as they mature. So, the grasshopper diet consists of citrus, corn, cotton, oats, peanuts, rice, sugarcane, tobacco, and vegetables. And I'm going to talk about this later, but due to their diet, including citrus, they often are detrimental to humanity in some regards. The predator-prey relationship. So the larvae of flies are often parasites to the grasshoppers. Blister bees and bee fly consume eggs. Cattle, egrets, robins, mockingbirds, and crows hunt the grasshoppers. And what I found interesting was that there's a fungi, Ectomorphage grilli, and is a parasite that infects the grasshoppers and gets them to a high elevation to spread the spores. And in fact, many farmers actually have birds in the farms in order to protect the crops from the grasshoppers. And for the tree of life, I put a cladogram here and listed are the classifications of the American bird grasshopper. It is said to have colonized the Americas from Africa around 6 million years ago and traveled over when the Sahara was much greener, and is seen here under central under the Schizocerca centralis. Right under is an orange band that says Schizocerca americana, which is the species name. And its importance to ecosystem are the American grasshopper, bird grasshopper, is an herbivore which contributes to nutrients moving around quickly due to waste. And also, these grasshoppers don't mess with the soil much because they do not dig into the soil. And also, they are relatively short lived, so their bodies can be recycled and decomposed. Now, the impacts on human life. They are often seen as pests to citrus in Florida and are often seen as pests to corn, cotton, oats, peanuts, rye, sugarcane, tobacco, and vegetables. They consume grass, damage buildings, and also damage windscreens. And unfortunately, they're also most abundant when there's the most food. So the picture here is a palm tree which is being attacked by American grasshoppers. Thank you for listening to my presentation, watching my presentation. Hope you enjoy learning about the American grasshopper. And listed here are the sources. Once again, thank you for watching.